Hey everyone. So as you guys know from my other videos, I have a couple of dogs, and the hair, I don't know if it's because we're in fall, my robot vacuum can't keep up, we can't keep up, but I needed something lightweight and easy, so I ordered this on Amazon today, and it came same day. So it's an A16 cordless vacuum cleaner. And I just cut the thing open, and we're about to check it out for the first time here. So this is my unboxing video. And let's see what we got. Look at all that stuff in there, huh? Well, let's see what we got. Instruction manual, warranty card, after sale. Vacuum cleaner comes with a 24-month warranty. It's pretty good. All right. Put that down. Let's see what we got here. Looks like a battery pack. Yep, definitely a battery pack. We have crevice tool. I think this must be the crevice tool. I'm gonna put my trash in another box. Looks like some kind of cleaner tool. Oh, kind of cleaner tool. Just to figure it out. This looks important. Must be an integral part of the vacuum cleaner or a weapon. Alright, we'll just start stacking everything over here. And we got... oh, must be another accessory. Kind of cool. I like the red and black. My high school colors. Go Red Devils. And... foam. More foam. Uh-oh. This looks like the heart of the thing here. This is the heartbeat of this vacuum cleaner. I believe this is where all the action takes place. Yep. Alright. Okay. We're going to put it all together here slowly. This is what we need to vacuum the big boy's hair. Look at this. Isn't that kind of cool? How does this spin? Huh, is it got electrical connection? Oh! It must have an electrical connection that goes all the way down here. See that? I just thought it was just a vacuum with a long tube and a roller, but there's actually a little motor and lights on the front. Oh, I can't wait to plug this in. Okay, put it there. What else we got? This must be, oh, okay, this is what, when you hang it on the wall. I'll take that apart later. You got a spare filter, I think. Yeah, this already has a filter, so you get an extra filter. Kind of nice. I've seen this in some of those automotive vacuum cleaners that I've had. And this must be to charge it up. Just not much here. Pretty. And more foam. All right, so this is here. No. Now you guys know that there's instructions for this, but uh-oh. You think I'm maybe figuring it out? Okay, let's line up the electrical contacts. Okay. Goes like this. Oh boy. I feel like I'm doing something wrong here. I was doing something wrong. Okay. All right, so. Oh, look at that. Look at that action. You see that? How the base goes? I kind of like it. Now, where do we slide the battery in? We'll leave the tag on. Oh, I really like it. Look at that, Home. Got 2 speeds. Oh yeah, we're gonna get rid of all that dog hair. Look at that, already picking it up. Oh my God, look at that. Look at how much hair it put in there already. You can watch it spin around. Watch. See it spinning in there? Alright, so that's weird. Okay, so the trigger turns it on, and then if you want it to go faster or slower. Oh my God, oh. Yeah, we're gonna love it. So, anyways, it already picked up a tumbleweed of hair. So I just purchased this on Amazon. So this was a we gotta hang it up. A16 cordless vacuum cleaner, stick vacuum with powerful suction, 45 minutes of runtime per charge. Cleans an entire home. Anti-tangle. It comes with a dust cup. Also comes with a little tool, and it's especially good on hardwood floors and carpet. And it's designed for pet hair, which is why we bought it, because our dogs have just been, everything is just covered in hair. And we have housekeeping come once a month, and I really can't afford to do more than once a month on housekeeping, so we'll see how this goes. But I can tell you that this is a great deal. All of this that you see here, you can't beat it. I love it. It's lightweight, easy to handle. Powerful for the dog hair, and it comes with a crevice tool. So you can just use it on your sofas. Like these guys. Look at these guys, cute as hell. But I went from having a leather couch to having a fur couch, a white fur couch. Yeah, so anyways, you guys, the link will be in the description below. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.